This guy never act this way. And seeing him, when them hold him and beat him, I literally I see the throw him, like the sheep clothing come off of the wolf.
I bring a family member here, like I'm giving a helping hand to him, to get back on his feet and so forth. Actual owner for the house, which is my wife's stepfather, he's not normally okay with stuff like that. However, for the time span when they here, I think they were building a relationship with each other where them good with each other. Him see me at him say, good youth man, him alright man. However, we wanted to do a partition tonight with like drywall and so forth, and him have the skill. Yeah, that's what he said. I never seen him do it before, but that's the job he used to do before. However, we carry him go do it and put it up and say, but however, the job never finish. You understand? So we pay him off and so forth. And the Friday, in the outside, I cry like about, the 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, my wife said, you need to come say what me to him, So I come out and I try to talk to him right now in the middle of the living room. I basically I try to hold on for him to come start rail up on him and go on the worst way. Like him I lose breath and so forth. So I say, alright, cool. I allow him. Get the chance to go vent. Go and go ball and vent. Then I allow him to go back to my room. Sunday evening now, the elder actually admit in hospital the Friday, because he have back pain and so forth and thing. So I'm admit in the hospital over and call my wife. This Sunday, he said to my wife, say, what Uno and Mara have? My wife said, me and Mara don't have nothing. He was sitting right there. He might cut up something on a brown paper. On the ground. He might cut it up and he might move fast and he might sweat. And I say, Mara, what happened to you? He get up fast and look at me. And I dress back and I look at me. I say, what happened to you, Mara? Talk to me, no man. You can't talk to me and tell me anything, man. Talk to me and tell me what happened to you. He must say, you ever betray me? I say, betray you for what? Brother, my family betray me. I know I love you in the youth. And I say, Mara, I legit know where you talk about, where you come. You talk to me in a parables, like you need to come straight. Where all of this question I come from, what happened? Yeah, basically, in my head, I say, I could do money because when I finish your work, I'm only supposed to give you $9,000. But him start for your cost, I say I'm hungry and about no care for him and him something that I say like, no, this I go too far. So I go to my wife and I say, we have to give him some money, give him the balance of money, 9,000. My wife I say, all right. Yeah, when I give him the 9,000 I'm going to the shower, get myself ready for say me I go to work. Tell him that him pack up him bag then pack up the right to spot him sit down there, so pack up him bag and so forth and put them down and him head to the tank right up there, so. I look through the bathroom and I look at him and see him have the same brown paper. I start sniff up a lot of things out of him nose. Sniff up him, move one way and dash it and start bite up some single by at the same time when I see that now. I see him like him rush and come back to the house. So I stay up on my guard. So I go so I run, come out in my towel and my underpants right there, so stand up and I look at him and I say, what happened to you? I say, where my knife there? And he move busy, where my knife there? I say, no man, Mario, you basically have to move. You have to go home for true, man. I can't afford you to move them where in the house. And when I leave now, I lock my room door, lock the next door, drop this door. And say, oh, you need to leave. Put out in bag them for him and stuff and say, you need to leave. And me go down this side of the gate now, take a taxi and go away. Call him when I reach and say, you leave the place yet? At that him I do. And about like 45 minutes to an hour, get the call, say, oh, the place is on fire. So this is just me, I try help somebody to get back on them feet. Him look at me and say to me, say, oh, bro, I wish I could have lived like you. I'm like, look up at him and I say, what do you mean live like me? What kind of life me I live? But yes, I struggle more time out. You don't even know, say, my wife have my back through everything what I do.
I can't believe Mara do this. Because I not him. Like, I don't know say nobody, I don't want nobody else. I know him. The first thing when time my cousin called me, I said, with my son. Because that was my most concern. With my son, because leaving the house, I tell my cousin, say, Shan, see some clothes of a day, hold on upon him, keep him. So I send him up to the house, none at all. No make nobody come feed him, none at all. So when she tell me, say, alright, I say, alright, God. All no loss, I be name of my name, all no loss. And I did the same way, but I say, how am I going to break this to my father?